Welcome to RBO. Today guys, I'm going to be showing you 5 3D printed camping gadgets. We're going to start off with a very basic tent stake. It is a very sturdy design. It's a good design. It has this nice hook where you can put your line or a little lanyard loop if you want to put it through. These would be good for little bushcraft shelters or eating tarps and stuff like that. I know these would be great for the overhang I have in the front of my Nature Hike 3-person tent. They're very lightweight. Great backup as well. Next, we have there's a little roller. This roller holds your duct tape. Also has a very nice size lanyard loop. You could shrink down the design and have the lanyard loop a little smaller and still have a good amount of duct tape on there. We just have a basic amount just to show you guys. Basic duct tape will fit on there without any issues. These prints are very minimum filament necessary, so it just makes them really cool. I'm going to go ahead and link all the websites and the pages where you can find them and find all the downloads and all the information on them and learn how to have the right filament, infill, and all that stuff. Next, we just have this little cutlery card. These are great to have just in case you forget your actual fork and spoon. You can go ahead and have this, bust this out, at least you have something to eat with. This could even go in a wallet if you wanted to. Very cool little thing, and this took like 30 minutes to print. Next, we have our spool of 550 paracord. It's one of my favorite ones because this is good for having some line on you if you need to hang some clothes, hang up a tarp, do whatever you need to do. You just bust this off on either end. And it has the, so we can get this off, honeycomb design underneath. Just a very basic card. This could even be a nice little wallet thing to have on you so you can have a wine collector. It's a very cool thing. It's sturdy enough. And this took barely 30 minutes. I think it was 40 minutes maximum. And then finally, but not least, we have this, which is our stove stand. For some reason on these prints, I'm 90% sure it was my filament. I just kept acting up on these sides. I cleaned them up best I could. And it still has the strength it needs. You flip this over, it has these little teeth, and it catches on through the little butane tanks, and it fits snug. Doesn't flex down like too bad. It has like resistance, so it's strong, and it keeps it off the ground. As you can see how it has these bends, and they just pop all off. There's your stove stand. Very lightweight too, it's not metal. You don't have too much shenanigans to deal with. It's a very cool little setup. So yeah guys, these are the 5 3D prints I worked on this week. I'm hoping to start a series here, so stay tuned. We got ourselves a playlist going. See what kind of cool stuff we can find. If you guys have any cool designs, go ahead and send me an email with the design. I'll check it out. Other than that, thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you guys for checking out the channel. Have an amazing day.